Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add subtitles to your YouTube video. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go to your YouTube studio, and then you want to select under content, you want to go to the video you want to add subtitles for, and the little details button that appears next to it. On left side, select languages. And now on the right side where it says set language, you actually have to set a video language first. So if you click the drop down, you want to select the correct language from this list, and then you would make this the default for your channel if you so chose, but we're not going to in this case. Select confirm, and at this point go ahead and actually upload your CSV file, and then you would continue and then actually upload the CSV file. You can also edit subtitles by selecting edit subtitles up at the top, and then you can actually go ahead and actually edit the ones that are coming up in the auto-generated section. So this is auto-generated from YouTube here, and then you would select publish to go ahead and publish those subtitles, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.